Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. And if you're anything like me and like eggs for either breakfast and sometimes switch it up for dinner, then you know there's so many different ways that you could really cook eggs. For a lot of people, making eggs either hard, medium, or soft, in the shell type eggs, can be a challenge, whether or not you're baking them or bringing them to a boil. And sometimes you'll open them up and they'll be green inside, meaning that you overcooked it. So there's a lot of people that just say, I can't do it, I can't cook. What's an easy way? What's the best method? Well, we're going to take a look at the SimpleTaste Egg Cooker, and it actually cooks 10 eggs in the shell, and you can actually get hard, medium, or soft cooked eggs, and it also comes with some other stuff as well that we're gonna go ahead and take a look in the box and show you. So let's go ahead and open the box up. Now, I did open the product before, get some of the plastic out, so this is not how it usually would show up, so keep that in mind. And it would be much more nicely packed in the box. So to start off, we have our getting started guide. So you'll see it says SimpleTaste instruction manual, talks about safeguards, all that fun stuff, maintenance and care. And it does have recipes in here for things like deviled eggs, egg salads, eggs Florentine, all that fun type of stuff. Even bread pudding. So you got a lot of different options because it said you can also steam like vegetables and things like that. So right here we have the top, and it says hot steam, so there's a steam vent on the top here. We have a small little measuring cup that has the different amounts on the side depending on how many eggs you're going to do and how you want them to come out. Also, you can do poached or omelets. At the very bottom here, if you are making the hard or soft boiled eggs, it has a little pin, so you're going to want to puncture the top of the egg, which we'll check that out when we do the review. Then it comes with these two other little inserts. So if you want to do poached eggs, you get this little insert. You can do it that way, fill it with the water, or make an omelet. And so we have that. And then in the box here, we have, and I actually put some water in this, so that's why it's colored like that before. But this is the actual cooker. So we have an on-off switch that illuminates, and depending on how much water, when the water is completely gone, it will notify you by beeping. So there's just an on-off, and then it beeps and will auto shut off. And then this right here is where the eggs will sit. So you have 6 eggs that you can use here, or if you're going to use, if you're not going to put the second tier, you can get 1 more egg. But if you're going to, no, you can put the 7 eggs in there. And then this will sit on top, either that way, I guess. Let's see if it shows. Yeah, like this. So it keeps the eggs in place. And then you can get, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 total. So it's a 2-tier. And then also in the box, we have our little presentation things. So when you have the soft-boiled or hard-boiled eggs, you can put them right in there. Finally, we have another just little quick starter guide. Says it will not rust, which it shouldn't because it's mostly plastic. And then that's it. So again, it has more ways to cook eggs. You got the poaching tray, standby mode, easy cleanup, and you got all these different things that come with it, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna check it out and see how well it works compared to other methods that I've used to cook eggs. And typically, I like to start in cool water with the eggs in there, bring it up to a boil, turn it off, and let them sit. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how you want the eggs to really come out. So I'm going to try it like the soft boiled and the hard boiled, and go from there. The only other thing that I do not see on the box or mentioned on the description online is to know if these are BPA free. They are plastic, both of these, so I would like to know that. So I'm going to find out from the manufacturer if these are BPA free or not, and I will put that in the description below. And that's it. So that's the SimpleTaste Egg Cooker. Again, we can cook up to 10 eggs, it says. But that's what's in the box. And make sure you look for the review when we get it up online. And thanks so much for watching. If you use this egg cooker or another type, or let us know, the recipe that you like to use for hard or soft boiling your eggs below. And make sure you click that bell button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.